Look at these videos I made a year ago when I first started, compared to the videos I'm producing today. The improvement isn't just because I've mastered the tools. AI technology has evolved rapidly, now offering higher quality, more realistic visuals, and a much stronger cinematic feel. My journey from a complete beginner to an elite creator came down to a specific strategy. Here is how you can do the same. Tip number 1. Focus on creating shorts rather than just isolated 5 to 10-second clips. In today's world, anyone can generate a cool visual with a few keywords and a click. The real challenge, and what sets you apart, is giving those visuals meaning. Meaning requires filmmaking skills like storytelling, editing, and sound design. By producing complete shorts, you practice the skills necessary to build a high-quality portfolio. Kling is always looking for new elite members, and often, all it takes is one great short video to get noticed. Becoming an elite creator comes with massive perks, including a free pro account with 3,000 credits per month, a value of roughly $400 per year. Tip number 2. Start small and manage your budget. Start with small projects and manage your credit budget strictly. The AI industry moves incredibly fast. New tools like Nano Banana Pro can change your entire workflow every few weeks. You don't want to be halfway through a massive project when a better tool is released. Instead, aim to finish your videos within 1 to 2 weeks using current tools. For a 1-minute short, I typically set a budget of 1,000 credits, about 40 image-to-video generations. Whether it's a music video, a trailer, or a simple scene, the goal is to finish quickly so you can iterate on your prompts and process. Once finished, submit it to a Kling event and move on to the next project. Tip number 3. Attend competition events. Participate in Kling's weekly competition events. These events focus on different topics and new tools. And here's the best part. Kling doesn't judge based on social media likes or views. Everyone has a chance to win if the quality is there. Competitions offer 2 major benefits. Rewards. Winners get free credits that stay valid for 2 years. Discipline. Having a specific topic and a deadline fosters creativity by forcing you to find the best way to execute your vision within a time frame. This is exactly how I started. I focused only on shorts and submitted them to competitions every single week. My first few videos didn't win anything, but I kept going because I enjoyed the process. After 5 months, I finally won a 3rd prize. Then, in May, I won first prize for the Bring Your Vision to Screen event with a 5-second video. That single video earned me 12,000 credits and $300, and it was featured in multiple showcases. Art is subjective, so keep making what you like and don't worry about the view count. We all start with products that aren't quite as good as we expected, but that is how we learn. By keeping my projects small and frequent, I was able to enter more events and grow my skills. Eventually, this hobby even led to unexpected opportunities, like being asked to provide tutoring services. If you're interested in learning more or need guidance on your journey, feel free to check out the link in my profile page. There are also many other resources where you can practice and compete for free. I hope you found these tips useful. The future of AI filmmaking is wide open, so keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll see you in the Elite Club.